hugged each other. It was like a huge party for freedom. They danced as they had in the past. I imagine people dancing and laughing just like Grandma Joy and me like to dance. So notice, I only read aloud a few brief excerpts. The text is an entry point. It's not for analysis. Now, the second entry point, which involves movement, would be a freeze frame task. So what I'd like to ask you to do is turn to a colleague, take about a minute, and I want you and your colleague to come up with a frozen pose that shows what freedom felt like on Juneteenth. That is what I would do with students after just reading those brief excerpts, not the entire text, to give them an entry point into the language, specifically in this case, freedom and Juneteenth. Posing the freeze frame task, what freedom felt like on Juneteenth. Come up with a pose that you would freeze when the teacher says 3, 2, 1. So take a minute, find a colleague, a new colleague. That's why we're at NABE, to meet new friends in bilingual, multilingual education. And when you see me go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have some fun with this. I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, and you and your partner will make your freeze frame pose that shows what freedom felt like on Juneteenth.